Hi everyone, let's start our market analysis for 9th August. Let's see what happened yesterday in our market. Yesterday Nifty was very weak, but Bank Nifty was performing very well, except HDFC Bank. MSCI index selling pressure, in Asian markets affected Reliance and HDFC Bank. So if any selling pressure comes, these two stocks will be affected. Apart from that, the market was range bound. Nifty was not showing any strength to break the 19,700 and go up. If you look at US market is negative. Dow Jones is negative by 100 points. And Indian areas mixed. Most of them are negative. FIS still net sellers. They sold 711.34 crores yesterday. But DIs, they was still pumping money into our market. They bought for 537.31 crore. I always say that watch FIS activity, why they are selling continuously. Now I think this month, every day now, 8, how many days now so far? 8 days, yeah, if you remove the holidays. Every day they are net sellers. So what they forecast on Indian market, we have no idea why they continuously selling. Maybe it is profit booking. Anyway, but selling is 700, 800 crores, not 2000, 3000. But some days it is coming 1000, 1200, 300 levels. Result wise, yesterday Siemens result came that is positive. Results are okay. I don't think there is any major issue with the corporate results. Hero Motors was positive yesterday with their the booking details came, the Harley Davidsons. So they got, I think, 25,000 bookings. So we have to watch Acer Motors price. Anyway, yesterday Acer was not affected, but in the coming days, how this will affect Acer's price, we have to always watch on these two stocks. Now let's see what is going to happen with India's new monetary policy. One more thing, yesterday mid-cap was doing well, even though Nifty was not doing well, but mid-cap stocks are flying, so still there is positivity. Now this RBI new policy meeting started yesterday. They are considering various factors. Inflation data, that is the most important thing. Food inflation is increasing day by day. Oil price is increasing, so definitely that will affect food prices, and also this rainfall shortage. So RBI is keenly reviewing the inflation data. So, and plus globally the interest rates are increasing. So the difference between Indian interest rate and globally doesn't match, because India put a pause on interest rate hikes, but globally all the countries are increasing interest rates, especially even US. So that is a concern, because this can hurt India's capital inflows. And besides this, India's merchandise exports have fallen, by 10%. If you check last 3 months data, it is down by 10%. So these are, various factors they will be considering. These are not in favor of India so far. Anyway, let's see what would be the reaction of Reserve Bank and how they will manage it. But one positive part is that Morgan Stanley and other rating agencies, they are still confident on India's growth. So they are still positive on Indian economy. If you look at China's export-import data, which was released yesterday, it is falling. So this will definitely affect the metal stock. Sale was recovering, that is steel stock, but this news definitely will affect all the metal stocks. So that's it for today. There is no other major news. Bank Nifty may go up. I'm not preparing any levels. We have to wait and see how market would react. Considering yesterday's growth pattern, Bank Nifty can break 45,000 and go above. But if it reaches 45,500 levels, it is very strong resistance. Nifty, where this Nifty would go, I have no idea. We have to wait and see because the market is in a confusing stage now. Profit booking is done by FIS. If DIs will continue pumping money or they will also start booking profit, then it can consolidate. So let's wait for 2-3 days to see where market would go. Then we'll prepare the chart. Now what we have to do? We have to check always yesterday's low and high, and if market is within that range or it can break. Only Bank Nifty shows positivity because yesterday all the banks or PSU banks were positive, except HDFC Bank was only exception. But they took new Bank Nifty to 44,964 closing, and it reached 45,050 even. So it can break 45,000 and go to 45,100 or 200 levels. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Wishing all success.